If you want to check your Namecheap email quickly and easily, this video will walk you through the entire process step by step. Whether you're logging in for the first time or just need a simple refresher, you'll learn exactly how to access your mailbox and open your inbox in just a few moments. And if this tutorial helps, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your Namecheap account using the email and password associated with your account. Once you're inside, look for the dashboard. From there, find and click on Private Email. This is where all of your Namecheap email services are managed in one place. Next, you'll see your email subscription details. Click Manage next to the email subscription you want to access. This will open the settings and control panel for that mailbox. Now look for the option that says Webmail or Login next to the mailbox you want to check. Click that option to continue. After that, you'll be prompted to enter your full email address and password. Make sure you type everything correctly, including the full address, because a small typo can prevent you from signing in. Once you enter your credentials, click the login button and your inbox will open. From there, you can read new emails, send messages, reply to contacts, and manage your mailbox just like normal. If you have more than one mailbox, you can repeat the same steps for each one. This is a simple way to stay on top of your Namecheap email without needing any complicated setup. So to quickly recap, log into Namecheap, go to Dashboard, open Private Email, click Manage, select Webmail or Login, enter your full email address and password, and then access your inbox. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.